So my birthday was a couple days ago, and what I asked for is basically this wireless microphone that basically connects to your iPhone and you can use all the time, and it is amazing, and it's a budget microphone. And today we're gonna unbox this thing. We're gonna see if it was actually worth it. Before the video begins, I just want to say hi. My name's Elias. I'm a YouTuber and I am on the mission to get 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate if you would just subscribe to the channel or watch more videos or like or comment or share, whatever it is. And yeah, enjoy the video. I got it. Let's go. This is dope. It looks dope. There's all the specs, I guess, or whatever. Okay. Yo, what the heck is this? Oh, okay, I think I get it. Alright, so this is obviously for the phone, and we need to plug it in, I guess, to the iPhone. And I'm pretty sure this is the charging cable for the actual microphone. Alright, a clip, so you can put it on your clothes. And obviously the most important part, the mic. It's really simple. It's minimalistic, and I really like that. It's really subtle. So yeah, this is basically it. And I'm pretty sure it isn't even charged. No. Oh wait, it might be charged. Oh, there's instructions, bro. Basically, the instructions explains everything, as you guys can see. You guys can pause the video and look at that if y'all want. Boring! This is gonna be satisfying. Oh, that is nice. Okay, now we're just gonna take this off. And I guess we can just put the clip on back here if, oh, it's like this. Okay, so you're just supposed to slide the clip up. And boom. And now you can just clip it to a shirt or something. So this should go right here. Now let's just turn it on. I think it's connected. And you could also check if it's connected, because they literally provided a list right here of like how the modes are. So right now it should technically be connected to this. So when the light is green, I'm pretty sure that means that it's basically connected and it's ready to record. So if we just go here. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to screen record, and as you guys can see, we're in memos. And once we start recording, as you guys can see, now it's getting less because the microphone's farther away. And then when it gets closer, it's basically louder. So it actually did work. And this is quite amazing, not gonna lie. And yeah, this audio that you're hearing right now is basically coming from the lavalier mic, the wireless microphone. And it's really simple. You just gotta connect it, and then you could also clip it onto your shirt. So let's try and do that right now. Alright, so let's just connect this thing to the collar, I guess. Dope. Yo, this is so dope. Y'all can't even see me, but y'all can hear me, bro. This is amazing. Now I'm gonna start screen recording, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's basically gonna sound right about now. So yeah, now it's just chilling on my collar. I can basically talk, and you guys won't hear a bunch of background noise, hopefully. But this is actually really cool, and the audio is gonna be way better now. And I don't have two phones when I record, so it's gonna be cool to just use this one and not have to worry about the audio now. So heck yeah, it works, you guys, and it's actually really convenient. I'm pretty sure it only costs like about $21, but yeah, now you guys are listening to the audio, so this is pretty cool. Alright, you guys, so it's pretty easy to tell when it's connected and when it isn't. If it's a steady green light, that basically means it is connected. And like, I'm about to disconnect this, and then it starts blinking, it's basically disconnected. So yeah, this thing is completely worth it. I only paid a couple bucks for it. Actually, what am I doing? Let me just start using it. So yeah, this thing is completely worth it. And yeah, y'all should probably check this thing out if you guys like need a mic. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Peace.